The National Electrical Code, often called NEC, requires a full wire dryer circuit for all new dryer installations. The fourth wire is a bare copper ground wire that provides a path for electrical faults to return to the ground. You have several installation options. Firstly, install a full wire circuit. This is the most recommended option as it provides the highest level of electrical safety. Run a full wire cable, that is, 3 insulated wires plus 1 bare copper ground wire, from the circuit panel to a full wire dryer receptacle. Connect the full wire power cord to the dryer as per the manufacturer's instructions. Secondly, install a 3-wire circuit with grounding strap. This option is acceptable if a 4-wire circuit is not feasible. Run a 3-wire cable, that is, 3 insulated wires, from the circuit panel to a 4-wire dryer receptacle. Connect the 3-wire power cord to the dryer as per the manufacturer's instructions. Install a grounding strap from the 4th green terminal on the receptacle to the metal box of the receptacle or to the armored cable if present. Thirdly, leave the 4-wire circuit with the 3-wire power cord. This option is not recommended as it does not meet NEC code requirements. If you choose to do this, you must label the receptacle as no equipment ground and ensure that the metal box of the receptacle is properly grounded. For connection at the circuit panel, for a 4-wire circuit, connect all 4 wires which are red, white, black, and green to the appropriate terminals in the circuit breaker or fuse panel. For a 3-wire circuit with grounding strap, connect the red, white, and black wires to the appropriate terminals, and connect the bare copper ground wire from the grounding strap to the ground bar in the panel. The first option, installing a 4-wire circuit, is the best choice for safety and code compliance. If running a 4-wire circuit is not possible, the second option, installing a 3-wire circuit with grounding strap, is an acceptable alternative. This information is for guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for consulting with a qualified electrician.